In this video, I will show you how you can restore your deleted photos and videos on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Gallery app on your Samsung phone. After that, just tap on Menu, and from here, just select Recycle Bin. And on this page, you will find all the deleted photos and videos on your Samsung phone. Now to recover any of the deleted photos and videos, just tap and hold on the photo or video which you want to recover. After that, just select Restore. And by doing that, you'll recover and restore the deleted photos and videos on your Samsung phone. Just like that. Now, just keep in mind that the deleted photos and videos will remain in the Recycle Bin section for 30 days. And once the 30-day duration is completed, your photos and videos will be deleted completely from your Samsung device. So make sure you recover it before the 30-day mark. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.